The Sedov was a Soviet icebreaker fitted with steam engines. She was originally the Newfoundland sealing steamer Beothic and was renamed after Russian captain and polar explorer Georgy Yakovlevich Sedov. This icebreaker became famous as the first Soviet drifting ice station. In 1929, icebreaker Sedov went on the High-latitude Government Expedition to Franz-Josef Land carrying Soviet scientists. In the summer of 1937, icebreaker Sadko sailed from Murmansk. Its original goal was to sail to Henrietta, Jokow and Jeanette Islands in the Along Group and carry out scientific research. The purpose of the expedition was to find out if the Northern Sea route could be used for regular shipping and to explore the complex Nordenskiol archipelago. The Soviet naval authorities changed the plans and the icebreaker was sent instead to help ships in distress in the Kara and Laptev seas. The Sadko became trapped in fast ice at 75 degrees 17 N and 132 degrees 28 E in the region of the New Siberian Islands. Another two Soviet icebreakers, the Sedov and the Maligan, which were in the same area researching the ice conditions, became trapped by sea ice as well and drifted helplessly, owing to persistent bad weather conditions. Part of the stranded crew and some of the scientists could only be rescued in April 1938. Only on August 28, 1938, could icebreaker Yermak free two of the three ships at 83 degrees 4 N and 138 degrees 22 E. The third ship, the Sedov, had to be left to drift in the ice and was transformed into a scientific polar station. The Sedov kept drifting northwards in the ice towards the pole, very much like Fridtjof Nansen's Fram had done in 1893–96. There were 15 crew aboard, led by Captain Konstantin Badyagin and W.K.H. Vinitsky. The scientists aboard took 415 astronomical measurements, 78 electromagnetic observations, as well as 38 depth measurements by drilling the thick polar ice during their 812-day stay aboard the Sedov. They were freed between Greenland and Svalbard by the icebreaker Joseph Stalin, the biggest icebreaker of the Soviet fleet at the time. On January 18, 1940,